Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by pairing the hardware. Open Settings and enable Bluetooth, then put your keyboard into pairing mode. You do this now because Roblox needs the keyboard recognized by iPad first, otherwise Roblox won't accept input. Make sure airplane mode is off so Bluetooth can work correctly, and move the keyboard close to the iPad. Once the iPad shows the keyboard name, tap to pair and accept any PIN prompts. Now the device is ready for app-specific setup. Once paired, open Roblox and join a game that supports keyboard controls. Not every game uses a physical keyboard. Go to the in-game settings menu and look for controls or input options, then enable keyboard and mouse or similar toggles. If Roblox still ignores keys, exit to the home screen and confirm the keyboard works in Notes or Safari to rule out app issues. Make sure iPad software is up to date. Roblox can require current iPad OS for full input support. Finish by testing controls in a low-stakes area of the game. Try movement, chat, and interaction keys. If keys act erratically, force quitting Roblox and power cycling the keyboard often clears transient glitches. As a key troubleshooting tip, unpair the keyboard in settings, restart the iPad, then repair. This resolves most connection mismatches. If problems persist, update iPad OS and Roblox, and try a different keyboard to determine whether the issue is.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.